Hello everyone, I'm Bagavanth of class 2A. Today we will see the objects that can slide and roll. What is slide? Objects with a flat surface, it will slide. What is roll? Objects that are round in shape, it will roll. Now let us see few examples of sliding objects and rolling objects. This is box. It has flat surface, so it will slide. This is ball. It has round in shape, so it will roll. This is plate. It has flat surface and round in shape, so it will slide and roll. This is tomato. It has round in shape, so it will roll. This is tire. It has flat surface and round in shape, so it will slide and roll. This is corner. It has flat surface, so it will slide. This is carrot. It has round in shape, so it will roll. This is market. It has flat surface and round in shape, so it will slide and roll. This is spoon. It has flat surface, so it will slide. This is pencil. It has flat surface and round in shape, so it will slide and roll. This is coin. It has flat surface and round in shape, so it will roll and slide. Thank you. Today we will see the objects that has long and round. Now let us see few examples of long and round object. This is comb. It is long. This is ruler. It is long. This is spoon. It is long. This is pencil. It is long. This is onion. It is round. This is tape. It is round. This is marker. It is long. This is tiffin box. It is round. This is CD. It is round. This is tomato. It is round. This is box. It is long. This is coin. This is round. Thank you. Today we will see the tallest tower. Objects which have flat surface can easily bind one another. This forms a tower. Objects that are round cannot easily bind one another. Now let us see few examples. This is tomato. It is round. Cannot easily bind one another. This is tiffin box. It has flat surface, so easily bind one another. This is box. It has flat surface, so easily bind one another. This is building blocks. It has flat surface, so easily bind one another. Which one is the tallest tower? Yes, building block is the tallest tower. Thank you.